Good afternoon, dear student. Hearty welcome to your online class. Class first, subject GK. Dear student, today we will revise lesson 9. The topic of the lesson is plants and trees. We will read about small one plants and trees in this lesson. Given below are pictures of some common plants and trees. Name them. Take help from the help box. You are seeing, all of you, that many small plants and big trees pictures are here on this page. We will read about their qualities and abilities one by one. You are seeing first one picture and you can recognize this picture that this picture is coconut tree. This picture is coconut tree picture, and this tree give us the fruit of coconut. The fruit of coconut. It is found mostly in the South India. And South Indian use this fruit in their vegetables, sweets and ketchups. They make ketchups and sweets with the help of this coconut fruit. Which butter is found inside the coconut is very useful to our health. So we should join it in our diet always, because it is very beneficial for our health. Second one picture is cactus plant. You are seeing the second one picture. This picture is cactus plant. This plant is found in the desert area. Desert area means रेगिस्तानी इलाका जहाँ पर रेत पाई जाती है as राजस्थान. And it is also grow near the water place in the desert. रेगिस्तानी इलाके में जहाँ पर पानी होता है उसके आसपास ये कैक्टस पाया जाता है. ये हमें मिलता है ये कैक्टस ट्री. It is also full of water naturally, and when we cut this plant, when we cut the some part of this plant, we can get water from this plant. So this plant is full of water naturally. The third one picture is mango tree. Third one picture is mango tree. It gives us mango fruit, which is the national fruit. As all of you know, mango is the national fruit. It is full of vitamin C and minerals. It should be there in our diet, and it is also very tasty in taste. So we should also join mango fruit in our diet also. It come in the summer season. It come in the summer season. Fourth one picture is pine tree. This one the pine tree. It is found on hill areas. It is very beautiful tree, and it make hills and nature beautiful and safe. Fifth one picture is pea plant. This one the pea plant. It is a very tasty vegetable and very beneficial vegetable. ये हमारे लिए स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत ही लाभदायक सब्जी होती है. As children, you like मटर पनीर very much. All the human being and children also like matar paneer very much. So that this vegetable is very tasty. Sixth one picture is papaya tree. It gives us papaya fruit, This fruit is also very tasty and useful for our health. So we should take papaya tree in our diet. It gives us vitamin A. Seventh one picture is tomato plant. It gives us tomato vegetable. If we use this vegetable as cooked, पकाकर खाते हैं, as and raw और कच्ची खाते हैं as salad, then it keep us away from cancer. तो ये हमें कैंसर से दूर रखता है टोमेटो वेजिटेबल. सो वी शुड टेक इट डेली डाइट. नंबर 8 लास्ट वन पिक्चर इज बनियन ट्री. यह बनियन ट्री है. दिस ट्री रिलीज ऑक्सीजन फॉर 24 आवर्स. यह पेड़ 24 आवर्स ऑक्सीजन देता है. द एज ऑफ दिस ट्री इज़ वेरी लॉन्ग, मोर देन 1000 ईयर्स. कम से कम 1000 साल यह जीवित रहता है. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू कैन अवेलेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस लेसन प्रॉपरली. डियर स्टूडेंट, now you can understand the lesson properly, and the revision of this lesson is also completed. So you should prepare this lesson properly for your first UT. Thank you. Have a nice day.